suddenly we reached like 4.5k in week 23 and so on and so forth. You can also see the video uploads, right? This is right from 2024-07, which is last year July. Are you a YouTuber like me, trying to grow your channel, but not sure what is that you're missing, which is stopping your channel from growing? Frankly speaking, yes, I've been creating content for the last 200 plus days consistently, but we are not seeing the results that we are looking for. Yeah, of course, it takes time and we are ready to put in that efforts. But we also want to see what is that we need to change so that we can see the growth. YouTube Studio gives us the stats that we want, but sometimes it's way too less to just see those stats and understand what is missing. Welcome to day 220 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. This was precisely the tool that I was looking for our channel so that we can analyze what is that we are doing right, what is that we are doing wrong, and what is the corrective steps that we can take to ensure we get the growth that we are looking for. Hopefully, this tool will help us. But diving back, I'm excited to introduce you to VidStats, an AI-powered YouTube analytics platform that offers a detailed dashboard along with some free useful tools to help you better understand your channel's growth and audience engagement. So let's dive in to see how to use this tool and understand about our channel in deep. To begin, head over to vidstats.pro and you can see that there is some offer going on right now, but I believe by the time the video will be released, this offer might not be there, but maybe something better. So I'll close this and let's click on get started. Continue with Google. So as soon as we sign up, we can see some basic details. No channel added. I'm in the free plan and I am as a standard user. Okay, so channel management and all of this can be done here. So I'll click on add your first channel and we'll go with basic maybe, right? Where we can just give our URL handle. It can be any person's handle. If you go with full access, then I'll have to authenticate with YouTube. Okay, let me just do it from here. So I'll click on add your first channel. And here we have two options. One is full access, where we have to authenticate from our YouTube account, or we can go with basic, which basically can be any channel's handle, right? Let's go with full access because that's where the details lie. So I'll click on this one. Just like we signed up using Google, okay, we can use our Google account or YouTube account to authenticate, and I'll use this one. I hope it goes through without unpublish. So it will just show me the YouTube account that I have. So I'll go with this one, and it asks me permission to view the YouTube account, view YouTube analytics reports for your YouTube content, and then download your public YouTube videos, right? So I'll select all and then click on continue, and there you go. So usage 1 out of 1. I could connect one of my account and I've already done that, right? So it's authenticated. So let's go with the 7-day trial from here. As you can see, we are in the trial phase, and I'm having the pro feature now. So I'll now click on explore pro tools. We can see that we have comment sentiment analysis, we have competitor analysis, we have content idea generator, we have video transcript, universal share, content optimizer, and script writer. So these are all the pro tools that we have in the pro version, okay, which we can use for 7 days, and if you like them, you can go back. But the biggest factor of this particular tool is, let's go back to the dashboard, and once you have created your account, just click on view dashboard, and you can see everything about your channel being mentioned here. Okay, so the channel was created on July 2nd, 2021. Total subscribers is 2.4k. Total views is 119.7k. Video count is 777. Wow. We didn't know that we have uploaded the 777 number of videos, but that's great to know. Average views is 154, that is per video performance, right? And then channel information, countries India, and categories knowledge. Channel health score is 72 out of 100, which is good, as it says. Reach is strong, growth is steady, and engagement is good. Okay. And then key insight: focus on no code and AI tools, provides a clear niche, attracting a specific audience interested in these technologies. Regular content updates, multiple videos per day on some days, demonstrate commitment and keep the channel active. The sheer volume of videos, that is 777 total, but only 22 listed, might overwhelm new viewers, making it hard to find relevant content. Now this is something that we may have to work on, right? So that's a good thing. Latest content will be shown here, along with how many views, how many likes, comments, and engagement rate, right? This was top performing content. As we could see, it was on day 164. Views is 2.3k, likes is 7, 0 comments, and engagement rate is 0.31%. Now this is slightly different. Here it says engagement rate is 55.56%, maybe because only 9 people viewed it. Okay, this was released just about an hour ago. Now let's go to growth. Okay, and you can see all the analytics that you may need for you to understand where and what we have to do. Okay, so view graphs, weekly views from week 1 to week 26. Okay, as we move throughout this year. Weekly views was 0 and then suddenly 2.2k. So maybe it has not fetched the views until maybe a month back or so, right? So we've got 0 until week 20, and then we can see week 21 is 2.2k and then 1.7k. Suddenly we reached like 4.5k and week 23, and so on and so forth. You can also see the video uploads, right? This is right from 2024-07, which is last year July. Again, like I mentioned, it has not fetched all the stats from our channel. It has fetched only from the last 2 months or so. So we can see that coming over here. And then we have engagement rate trends, right? You can see the engagement rate, which is fluctuating all throughout this time. And we have 7 days average, okay, which is in blue, which you can see is almost in the rise in the recent days. And then we have rate change, right? Some days it goes lower, some days it goes above. So the beauty is it has changed positively by 44.31% very recently, and that's a good sign. So we'll have to understand about these stats and start working towards making it better, right? Watch time analytics, as you can see, retention rate was 75% in 19th on 19th of May, right? Which is pretty good. We'll have to see which video was that and what we did right there, so that we could do something on those lines to see if that actually works for us better, right? And likewise, we have like 71%, 75%. So retention rate seems to be good all throughout. Yeah, that is this orange color over here, right? Some days it has dropped. So here maybe 40%. Okay, and what we see in the purple is total watch hours. So we have 1.4k minutes, okay, on particular day. Average watch time was 9 minutes, and so on and so forth. So this gives you complete detail of every single day, right, which will help you understand which particular video actually worked and which one did. Content consistency, as you can see, like they have been consistent throughout. Sundays videos published 7, Mondays published 8, Tuesdays it has been 9, and so on and so forth. Maybe it is taken for a particular duration and that's why it's coming this way. But we have not missed a single day for the last 6 months. And hopefully we will not miss until we reach 1000 days and beyond. It also gives you performance metrics, as you can see here. Audience size, consistency and community, engagement, average views, and so on and so forth. You get growth velocity. So that's all you get in the growth tab. If you go to performance, you have more things coming up, like video performance, how well it is performing, like what is the views, what is the likes, comments, and so on and so forth, right? And then you have duration versus engagement, right? There is a graph added over here. Then you have performance by video length, okay? And you can see that 0 to 3 minutes has performed well, or 10 to 15 minutes has performed well. Anything between 3 to 10 has not been so good, okay, for us. And anything beyond 15 plus minutes has been very bad, okay? So this is something that we may have to think about and come up with relevant videos. Again, best publishing times, you can see that it has been between 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, we share shorts during this time, if I'm not wrong, or the next best performing is 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. right? Most of our videos are getting published at 6 p.m. in the evening, but that is not performing so well, and this is something that we may have to think about and maybe change our time. So publishing day performance, you can see Sundays average views is 595, average likes is 11, average comment is 1, engagement rate is 2.02. Let's go to Monday and see how that performs. 364 average views, average likes is 12, average comments is 1, and engagement rate is 3.64. So you can see that how each day has been different for us, and we may have to think about how do we go about doing, how do we go about releasing our videos. Coming back, monthly performance, we can see some graph here. Click-through rate trends, we can see that it has gone up to 2K sometime, and it has reached all the way to bottom sometimes, right? And CTR has been constant up to 6.67% or something like that. Okay, we'll have to understand what each of this means and how do we take care of things in our videos to ensure growth is inevitable. And then we have audience retention and so on and so forth. So you can see the details over here. And then you can go to engagement and you can see the engagement details, like engagement rate is 3.24%, average views 301, average likes, average comments, and so on and so forth. Engagement distribution. So we have an engagement distribution here, and top 10 engaging videos. We can see over here what are the top 10. Leo AI has got very good engagement. This is again, I believe, in the recent times, right? Monthly engagement trend we can see over here, and then day of the week performance. You can see that for us, Wednesdays has been the best engagement rate. Next best being Monday, and then Saturdays, right? Friday seems to be the least engagement for us. Engagement by type, okay? Likes being the most, comments being very less, and shares nothing as of now. Then if you go to videos, you can see all the videos from our channel, right, along with all its stats as well. So you can go to optimization thing, okay, optimal posting schedule, right? This is a pro version where you can actually schedule your posts. You can also see visitors demographics, competitor analysis can be done from here. You have some AI tools like AI insights, content optimization, universal share, and a lot more in this tool, guys. So if you're a YouTube content creator, then do check out this tool because it has a lot of insights. So do give Vidstats a try and share in the comments below on how this tool has helped you gain insights about your own channel which you are missing until now. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.